everyone, I'm Stephen Goldstein and welcome to Bowl with the Birds 10. Nuss Construction is our title sponsor. Preziosi Nicholson and the Franchino Foundation are our presenting sponsors. We're here to benefit the Variety Club of Philadelphia. We have a bunch of Philadelphia Eagle players here, including our host, Winston Justice, and of course from the Philadelphia Phillies, we have Ryan Madson. So hopefully 350 people are here having a great time eating, meeting, and greeting and bowling with the Philadelphia Eagles and Ryan Madson from the Phillies.
How you doing? I'm Bob here from Nuss Construction.
It's a great cause. Nuss is a family business. We enjoy having them in our home doing our work for us. It's a wonderful company and it's a wonderful cause.
Nuss Construction's done a number of projects on my house, and they've supported us, and we like to come out and support them and the charities that are benefiting from tonight's event.
Executive Director of Variety, the children's charity, and we are here tonight celebrating with everybody else and raising money for an amazing charity that provides programs for children with disabilities. And Alicia, who has been with us for how many years? 11 years. 11 years. 12 years. Wow. Being corrected. My name is Toby. How many years? 12 years. Yeah, he told you. Yeah. Tell us a little bit about your experience with Variety.
Variety has made a huge impact in both our lives, and without Variety, who knows where we will be, because they provide so many services to myself and to Damon and to children with special needs. Thank you.